Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How are you doing, guys? Hello. So, I did replace a backlight in this TV here, which is a Sharp, okay? And I said to the customer that there might be a case where backlight not only, but will be as well a power supply. And even the voltage was right, completely right. And then what have happened was, I think it's on the recording even, that when I was plugging everything, I didn't put everything back together, but I'm always having one point where I, like have everything mounted in the safe way that I can turn it on, yes, and test it before, assembling everything and then finding out that, oh, maybe I need something else to do, and then I'm spending even more time to do it. So I did plug it in and I heard like a weird noise. And at the back of this here, it burned. So I'll take, and I've got photos. I was showing it on one video, but I will definitely take a photo of this one to understand the structure, how it's built. Yes, because then if I'll see what's on this one, then I can do the second one. I'll pause and I'll find that photo and I'll show you. Actually, there are two photos. Okay, so I've got these photos, and please have a look. Wow, please have a look at this one. Okay, that's how it's looking, but it's it's no damage on this side completely. It's a brand new, supposed to be brand new, so I don't know, hopefully the seller didn't lie, but it's no dust on it, nothing completely. So fingers crossed it is new, because customer will be extremely happy for £18 new power supply, come on. So let's fingers crossed. So you see how this one looks like, yes? Now I'll show you the picture of the one which is here. You can see that it's the same looking, yes? Same looking. I'll show you other photos. Look what the hole is here, yes? And that's the hole which is made, and that was what I've seen, what have happened, yes? So you see, in that case, what can you do? I've told to the customer that it can happen, because sometimes there was a short in the LEDs, and then this short has, didn't make faulty power supply, but it just didn't work properly. It still didn't use any power because of the faulty LEDs. So then what's happening when you put in new LEDs, sometimes it's happening. Fortunately, it's only £18 and I don't charge for the replacement, like for the labor cost, yes, because it's just a few minutes of a job. So I will replace this now, and let's fingers crossed that that's the only thing. There should be only this thing. I will take photo of this one because I want to compare with that, and then use this as a fix for that one. Maybe I can resurrect that one, yes? So that's my thing, what I want to achieve here. And if I'll do it, then probably I'll make a recording of that one as well, yes? For now, be right back. I'll take this photo, I'll remove screws from that one, and we will see both of them one against another. I'll replace them and we will see if that will cure the problem with the power supply. Okay guys, so I meant to not record this video, then I decided to record this video, and now I'm showing you exactly the section where it was a problem, because you can see that window I have. That's okay, Google. So that's, you see, I'm trying to show this section here because that's the most dark. And when we compare here, we've got those connectors 2 and 3 at the bottom, and then on the left side of them we've got 1R50 and 3R30, which are blown, and this 200 survived, okay, and above them, so I need to go slightly to the top, that's 0.00, okay, so that's 3R30 here. You see, that's the section here, and then below this one, I'm curious what is below this one. Below this one is 000. Okay, So there's nothing. That's 201. That's some capacitor. I don't know the capacitance, but we can put higher. It's okay as long as it will fit the purpose. And then those here are 50 and 6. 50 I know because the dot is below the 50, and here is 6A, 6 alpha I'd say, and here is I. So that's it. Or V9, because the dot I see here. Okay, so the dot is here, so that will be V and that will be 9. Oh yeah, it is opposite way comparing to this one. So okay, and that's I or 1, I don't know what it is. So that's what it is, but they are looking that they survived. Only if the measurement will be bad then, but it's a D, it's double diode probably anyway. Z, I don't know. Zener diode? I've got no idea actually. But it's okay, you know, like it's fine because we can find these components. Of course you've got sometimes a hassle, but hey ho. So the rest is fine. The rest above it is 0, 0, 0. I see that the last component blown is the 0, 0, 0. Then 602. Okay, I don't see the 602 as well. So that's it. And there are those blobs, and there are those, I can see them clearly now. It's chip. Okay, you can read this chip, so I'll leave it on the recording. Those 101 are good as well, so only this section here. So okay, so we've got those components, now we know. So 1151 2T Z. So it's okay guys, so I'm ready. Promotion. So let's go back to the webcam. Yeah, so we've seen it. I'm super happy that I've got a second board, because maybe, and maybe only, I could fix this one and it wouldn't go to the bin. You know, I don't like when these things are going to the bin. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing when I'm doing, with who I'm doing, you know. Hey, that's just me, you know. You might disagree, yeah. Okay, one more pin is missing here. Because somebody have damaged. No, there is a hole. Okay, let me open that one and let's swap them, yeah, and then we will see if that solved the issue. And we've got a recording so we can see what's on the back of this board. So happy days. Before I'll do it, would you mind to hit that like button, please? You know, it's really helping me to make more of those videos, like when I'm talking and explaining, rather than just videos for the customer so they see what I'm doing, yes, or doing the live and don't talk on the live at all. Whereas here, you know, I'm giving some value, so if you wouldn't mind, thank you for that. So guys, even on this side you can see that it was something wrong because it melted, yes. So you see that it's really for real. It's not that I'm joking here or lying to the customer or something. That really happened, unfortunately, for this customer. And fortunately it's only 18 pounds. Okay, I've got this last. Now we can see, you see on this side, has a nice hole. And then side by side they are look alike. Yes. So yeah, put which one's faulty. That's the faulty one. Let's put it aside with the faulty backlight. Don't know how many. I've checked. I think only one strip was faulty of the backlight, and the rest strips were still fine. But it is what it is. Okay, let me put this one. Fits, connectors, one connector, two for the main board, for the backlight, and for this, that's for the board, power button. And what else is left? Nothing, just the power cable. So I'll screw in those 4 screws. Oh, come on. 2 more, guys, and I'll connect the power cable and we can test it. Okay. Need adapter. Doesn't want to stay on. You know what? I would use some language for it. I'll do the old-fashioned way, because at least it will be firm and robust. Oh, now it's a red light. Now I'm happy with it. Not some problems. Okay, but I don't have the I don't have the button. Which one it is? It's a sharp. I should have a remote for the sharp. Well, the question is where, and I will be taking time, so it's better to have the power button. Okay, which one is standby? We get a standby on my side, okay? Yeah, we get it. And the backlight is on. Don't know if you can see it, but it's okay. Brak sygnału. No signal. Guys, that's it in this episode then. I'll put it back to pieces. I can drop it off to the customer, okay? And fingers crossed I can fix that faulty power supply. Unless customer wants it back, then I will give it to them. But I don't believe customer will have any value out of the faulty power supply or faulty backlight. I've got tons of them over there, and only sometimes when someone knows what they're doing, like projects with LEDs, they are coming to me. They are taking something to do the stairs in the lights, so they are taking a bit, but they are not taking a lot. And then they are using it for lighting up the stairs. Yes, because you know these are still good LEDs. It's just that they were used for an extended period of time and they can go off at any time. But if they are doing it, they are able to replace themselves. So they take in, you know, like more than they need, and they have always as a spare parts, and they know they can come for more as well. Yes. The only problem is that the warmth of those LEDs can vary, because they can have different voltages and different type of LEDs. So one of them can be more brighter or dimmer, or can be yellowish or whitish or bluish, you know, so it varies. Yes, so it's a matter of try and error. But as I'm saying, not a lot of people are coming, not a lot of people know what they're doing, and not a lot of people want as well used ones, because there are people who say, oh, I'll buy just new ones all together, you know, and they are just buying new ones, and what can you do, you know, or they buying strips. Yes, it's different strokes for different folks. But that's it in this video, guys. That's all there is. Thank you for watching. What can I say? If you did like and you did press the like button, thank you for that. Likes to you, and see you in the next video if possible. Let's fix them all. Take care. Bye bye.